What up, YouTube? And I'm in the alley of Dude vs. Nature. The alley. Hope you enjoy this video. Alright. Wow. I'm here in the back of my house, otherwise known as the alley. And I'm having a tough time living. It's been nearly 3 minutes and I'm completely starving. I'd better find some food, otherwise my tummy's gonna hurt. That's one of the most hazardous things, the trash can. That can be found in any alley or any ghetto place. I don't live in a ghetto place, but usually they are in ghetto places. Maybe I could find some food in there. Wrong bin. Oh man, looks like there's no food. I have to get some shelter, otherwise it's going to be too dark to sleep. Here's my shelter. No beer. That's enough sleep for now. I'd better get moving, otherwise this will not be pretty. I need to know what time it is, so I'll use my cell phone, which I'm filming from here, to use as a sundial. Yes, the ancient natives of the alley used to use their cell phones as sundials. Alright, let's do this. From my calculations, it should be exactly 10 o'clock p.m. I'd better... Oh, my tummy's hurting. Maybe it's because I didn't find a proper meal. Maybe... Aha, perfect. A civilian. There's the civilian. Say him. He appears to be made out of chalk. Maybe I can bribe him to give me some food. Hey, can you give me some food? Hell no. Oh! Oh! Mean. Let's get going. Looks like I found a garage. Maybe I can steal one of their things. Oh, look, it's a wooden pole. It'll get me revenge against that chalk man. Tastes like wood. Splint in my tongue. Let's do this. Hey, chalk figure. You want to fight? Yeah, I want to fight. Let's do this. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to make you cry. Go home! Oh, okay, I'll go home. Looks like that's it for today's video. See you next time.